80 years ago today, the Battle of Berlin took place in Berlin, Nazi Germany on April 16, 1945. After the Witzula-Oder offensive of January to February 1945, the Red Army had temporarily halted on a line 60 kilometers east of Berlin. On March 9th, Germany established its defense plan for the city with Operation Clausewitz. On March 20th, General Gotthard Heinrici, the recently appointed commander of Army Group Witzula, began the initial defensive preparations on the outskirts of Berlin. Two Soviet fronts attacked Berlin from the east and south when the Soviet offensive resumed on April 16th, and a third overran German forces north of Berlin. Before the main battle in Berlin commenced, the Red Army encircled the city after successful battles of the Seelow Heights and Halba. The First Belarusian Front under Marshal Georgy Zhukov began shelling Berlin city center on April 20th, 1945, which is on Hitler's birthday. Meanwhile, Marshal Ivan Konev's First Ukrainian Front broke through Army Group Center and moved toward Berlin's southern suburbs. On April 23rd, General Helmuth Wilding assumed command of the forces within Berlin. The garrison consisted of several depleted and deorganized Army and Waffen-SS divisions, along with poorly trained Volkssturm and Hitler Youth members. Over the next week, the Red Army gradually took over the entire city. And thankfully, on April 30th, Hitler killed himself. The garrison in the city gave up on May 2nd, but fighting persisted in the city's northwest, west, and southwest until the end of the European War on May 8th. This was because some German units fought westward to surrender to the Western Allies instead of the Soviets. Well, that's all the history lesson I have on the Battle of Berlin. So if you like what you hear, be sure to leave a comment and subscribe. This is Stephen Luke, and I'll see you next time for another history update.